result देखो hele chemistry या chapter 4 types of topic hele types of chemical reaction ahi chemical react types of chemical types si changa kha nam bangza chemical reaction bangza omahiam si gena hiya chemical reaction iti what is chemical reaction and chemical reaction iti bangchi na hiam si en subjing chemical reaction is changa change in one or more substances or other substances having different composition and properties atia hoi pen kha substance khat other substance ni kinain chen hoi pen hoi substance te kha properties te wong ki hek chang ina atom big ai lo atom ang ki hek chang on hoi te kha chemical reaction akitia ho chemical reaction nahi reactants akineya hoi khira products akineya reactants si chang ina aki gom khom tegel arele aki thwa khom aki gom khoma reactants ni ai chemical khat chemical ni aki gom khoma hoi te kha aki gom khom te kha reactants ki chen hoi aki gom khit changa amao ang swa khyat te kha product ki che he next chemical reactions in everyday life ni teng hin khwa chemical reactions ka omgi ge imu thei lo hin chemical reaction kha igamtat na le hin khwa omgi ge ni hin khwa example neu kha i thei chu hi le cooking ti cha an khong i hwan chiang me khong i hwan chiang ina me tom me chi tom khong i gom khom me hwai khong le chemical reaction hi example chemical reaction example hi cha rusting of iron ani na rusting of iron si ki sot pi ko chang ina ong rust jela ong rust ti chang ha azol ma hwai sot pi ko chang ina ong brown sin hiam yellow sin hiam hwai khong le kha chemical reaction hi number 3 burning of paper khong hin sing khong i akwang chiang ina akwang te kha hwai te khong le chemical reaction effect thawa hi formation of curd dahi kha hai dahi akibol na de na milk le दूध angaya bongnoi angaya hwai pen bongnoi to acid akigom chang in kha curd ki muwa hwai hai khong le chemical example of chemical reaction kits the hi next in chemical reaction om chang ina hai chemical reaction omlo hi ibang chi thei dia hoi thei na dinga indication it jang i thei na dinga indication chi tom ma akhatna hi le change in color arong khong ki hek chang ina chemi hai reactant apat in arong khong ki hek chang ina na hoi pen khat chemical reaction ama hi akis theya second ani na evolution of gas chemical reaction om chang ina arong aki hek khiam ai lo le gas fume gas khong akhu khong om chang ina hoi te khong le chemical reaction indication chemical reaction om lo kha indicate hong hela hi number 3 change in temperature reaction om chang ina khencha asatheya khencha avot theya hoi te khong le chemical reaction om lo hong hil tu in apanga number 4 na precipitate it chang in adya kin he kha laboratory sunga ki janga hiya chemical khat chemical ni khong igom khom chang ina amao ong ki gom khom chang ina precipitate it is precipitate hai pen kha solid it chang ina akhal hayong form hayong swak chang ina hai pen chemical reaction chemical reaction hi na hi types of chemical reaction tu nya is dingo chemical reaction atom bang mahiam si isil dingo hile number 1 combination reaction 2 decomposition reaction 3 displacement reaction 4 double displacement reaction number 9 oxidation and reduction reaction hai oxidation and reduction reaction ka redox reaction le kit zela here aban ban et sungni number 1 combination reaction combination is changa combine is changa gom home sina here ya kala ka hile A B hai kha chemical hai pen kha tekina chemical A bang A hi la hai pen kha B hile hai A to B ong ki gom khom chiang ina A B pum khadong swa kwa A B hai chemical khat chemical ni ki gom khom a hi zakina combination reaction akiti hi in hai A to B te A to B pen reactant akiti ya hai ong swak thak A B compound pen kha product किचे ही example can cut combination reaction example can cut a hele carbon gas carbon solid carbon paper khong I hala hin sing khong I hal chang na khat pe hal chang ina carbon pen kha oxygen kha huya omin chin wai hui to na ki gom khom chang ina carbon dioxide gas ki muzela. Number 2 example na hydrogen oxygen to ki gom chiang ina water H2O kha water hiya hoing ki mozel hydrogen gas to oxygen gas hoing ki gom khom chiang ina H2O kha water ki chia hoi ki mozel hi. Number 3 na hydrogen gas to chlorine gas hoing ki gom khom chiang na HCl acid hydrochloric acid hoing ki moi hi hai combination reaction bang dia combination reaction example om the hi me sile hai compound element khat to element khat two elements khat ni ten ki combine ki gom kho mun chin hoi pe kha element thak adang khat compound thak nguswa mana combination reaction example om the hi. Number 2 decomposition reaction is chiang ina hai compound khat Cl NaCl kha common salt is chianga me hwan changa chi khak pen mo chi why NaCl salt pen decompose is chang hai compound om pen ong ki bal sia chilong ki bal compound ni om pen hai pen ong ki khenjak changa NaCl pen ong ki khenja decompose chang ong ki khenjanga Cl plus to Na Cl atom to Na atom ong ki khene hi hang ki khen hai compounds om khom teng ki khen chang ina hedan reaction te hi decomposition reaction akichi hi decomposition reaction hi atom ma hoite yen subde hate hile thermal decomposition reaction compound te kha thermal chi chang ina heat ahia thermal asa ahia asa chang ina compound khen khat hi a decompose aki khen theiwa oilo le atom in element form in om theiwa thermal asad lwa chang in mo and second one electrolytic decomposition electrolytic it changa made to changa electrolysis method made to changa a compound te kha aki khen theiwa elemental atom form in aki khen theiwa. Number 3 photo decomposition reaction photo is chang ina light ina ya light is chang ina light light ahin ai sunlight ya ni sa hin ai le bulb light te kha photo kiche light him kha photo kiche ya photo decomposition compounds khen khat kha light om chang ina a compounds te kha hung decompose hung ki he ko a structure khang ki he kon chin hoi te kha photo decomposition reaction decomposition reaction waya very apoimo ma khat hele exothermic to endothermic reaction ama haya khat exothermic thermic iti changa thermal kha heat hinchin heat kha asa hiya exo iti changa apolam asa kha apolam agithe hinchin endo iti changa asunglam asa kha ki thelo asa kha ama asunglam ma hi ponchin en kha asa ki thelowin a reaction om changa kha asa kha ki thelowin beaker usually beaker pen kha vot zel hiya exothermic is changa reaction om changa why heat generate asa ibang khate I feel theiteu I khoi theiteu kha hoi te kha exothermic reaction example te khinai na charcoal ala mehol khong sing khong aki hal chang in kha asa wa hoi te kha heat asa ongpot kyan manin kha exothermic reaction aki chitheya example danga hi le respiration hi chang in kha while exothermic reaction here respiration hi chang in kha oxygen I body oxygen alu ta why oxygen in kha I body sunga here food particles te kha digestion a help jakin kha why digestion a help jan kha en kha sa ki sa here why jakin kha respiration hole exothermic reaction waya example as a the hi second hi le endothermic reaction endo ichi changa inside asung a hi endothermic reaction ichi chang in kha amau heat ha ama sabanga kha heat en kha asa kimu theilo ai le ki khoi theilo ki feel theilo hi endothermic ichi chang in kha amau asa absorb ichi chang amau su kumu asa kha asung lama su kun chen hwa jaga en asa ki khoi theilo ki feel theilo example kha ice kha na khota koi na ice kha I khota I koi chang in kha ice cube water turns into tui na aswa ka why tui aswa line kha ice pen kha ikut kha vot gi ge why vot gi ge te why vot gi ge jaga kha endothermic hi kachimo example danga hi le photosynthesis number 3 displacement reaction akha definition here a reaction of an atom or a group of atoms of a molecule is replaced by another is called displacement reaction here hai alle Ag silver NO3 nitrate silver nitrate here masapen plus sodium Na kha sodium Cl chloride sodium chloride here silver nitrate to sodium chloride hong ki gom khom changin hai te kha displacement reaction displacement of atoms ama hai sodium hai silver in kha hai sodium kha displace iti changa amun kha swan so silver in kha sodium hai Na amun kha swan in chin hoi jaga silver to chlorine kha hong ki gom khom hoi jaga AgCl compound thak khat hong ki gom ki mukhya chini in here aval chile hai sodium hai silver in a replace sodium kha replace nungina sodium kha vapain chin hai NO3 to ki gom khom hoi jaga sodium NO3 NaNO3 sodium nitrate kimo hai exchange it is ki label ai ki le thwa hai sodium ions te kha hong ki hek thwa changun kha hong ki hek thwa wa compound thak imo chang kha hai reaction hai dan reaction te kha displacement reaction kiche hi hai displacement reaction kha hai metal tom hai kha metal hai te kha element tom om ahina element in bang element replace dia ai la hek twa dia ai la koi pen hat zo dia koi pen awol zo dia chi kha activity series ina aki theya activity series of metals hai pen kha amount table activity series ni hai arrow apai suk na kha hai activity amount reactivity kha all hai apai hai atunglam te kha hard reactivity hard ka chi chang kha metal dang ayole element dang to higom ha to react pa pau ale kigom pa pau higom thei pa pau jin le hi anwai la mayong pai suk chang kha akigom thei nau ayole akigom ut nau kha hongyam deu jin ha alas na gold hongo mention last second na silver hoja gold is chang kha appear normal state in kha gold zong ten kha luidung khong a gold zong ten kha gold a pure state gold atom in akin zong zangzela akimuzela lele he atungla ma potassium sodium calcium magnesium te kha amau nature lai cha amau element a kha omlo won salt alele compound dang to hitwa khoma omzel lele he anwailam te kha reactive low sini mi dang element dang to ki gom kho mud lo hai jaga kha gold hin silver hile amau element amawa chau chini amau element ai cha amau le mau om the. So activity series definition here: arrangement of metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity is called reactivity series or activity series. So the metals which is higher in the reactivity series is more reactive and can displace the less reactive metals from its solution. And here a second point again na hile hey atunga reactive metals dekha hey atungla maten kha solution reaction om changin kha hey atungla maten kha anwaila mate kha replace thei zelo hai jaga previous example hai kha sodium kha high reactive hinchin silver kha low reactive hai jaga sodium hin kha haya silver mun kha lwa thei hong lwa in chin silver kha pai kya in haya chlorine to baki gom khoma hi. Okay, number 4 na double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction to ki bang here reaction here two reacting ionic compounds exchange corresponding ions to make new compounds. Then our displacement reaction why to ki bang main A to B compound oma next C to D oma here tikel khang ki gom khom changin here C pen kha A pen a displace a hoi jakin A to D kha hong ki gom wa A D hoi jaka compound A D athak khat ki muwa second line na C to B kha hong ki gom wa compound dang akimohi. Example hile barium Ba kha barium Cl chloride barium chloride akitia Na sodium SO4 sulfate sodium sulfate haiti AQ ichi chang kha aqueous ichi chang atui ya om here haiti kel kha atuya akigom khop changin barium BaCl2 sodium kha highly reactive here table haya danin a table kha sodium kha highly reactive here why sodium highly reactive ahi jakin barium hai barium pen kha va khengkhya va displace kya engine hoi jaga sodium in kha hai chlorine geya amun lwa hoi jaga you have hoi jaga sodium chloride kimo in barium compound barium atom pen has sulfate to gom khoma barium sulfate precipitate S kha solid precipitate kimo and here a reaction kha barium chloride to sodium sulfate ki gom khom changin barium sulfate precipitate kimwa has sodium chloride solution om here. Double displacement reaction via sub reactions in via reaction atwam ma why te kha precipitation reaction is changa compound ni hiam thum hiam a react khom changin kha precipitate is changin kha akhal atui laka akhalongom alele atui le tui ki gom chan kha akhalong pot ale akhalong swak te kha precipitate kichi here precipitate kha a compound dongzu ya arong twam vom hiam akang hiam la san hiam cha arong twam ong pot jela here. Example precipitation reaction example khat kela hi lead PB kha lead hinchin NO3 kha nitrate lead hai kha lead nitrate AQ kha aqueous is chang kha solution state aw minchin atui aw minchin K का potassium, I का iodine, potassium iodide in hai le solution state in hai diga rong ki gom chang in kha hai potassium ka activity a table ama sa pen ma reactivity series why reactivity series a table to ki bangin hai highly reactive a hina hai let pen kha but displace ile vahekhya engine hai why vahekhya khitjang in compound thak akimua compound hile KNO3 potassium nitrate ka solution a oma why potassium nitrate solution a oma why adang teng lead PB ka lead engine lead to abadeng ka iodine lead to iodine ki gom chang in kha precipitate akimua precipitate haya lima mu theina ma hai precipitate kha yellow precipitate hai insolubility chang in kha tu ya ki dissolve thailo hai Pi2 hai reaction lead nitrate to potassium iodide ki react chang in kha insoluble precipitate PbI2 ki form hi second one neutralization reaction neutral iti chang ina chemistry hi acid inaya base inaya acid to base ki kal kha neutral kitia pH 7 kha neutral hiya acid iti chang ina kha athuk te atang pe athuk te ge na hiya base iti chang ina kha akhate neutral iti chang ina kha a test omlo pH is 7 pH around 7 hiya here reaction te kha acid to base song ki gom khom chang in kha salt acid to base igom khom chang in kha salt produce in a salt product angoma by product kha water tu yong higi ke hi example na hydrochloric acid ka strong acid here acid had ma here why acid kha why strong acid to sodium hydroxide hai kha base here hai acid to base hong ki gom khom chang ina kha sodium chloride NaCl Na kha sodium Cl chlorine hai ki gom khom chang kha sodium chloride ki cha sodium chloride ki mua sodium chloride hi le salt common salt ya anwana ki jangte salt mo chi here why byproduct kha water here neutral neutralization reaction is changa here byproduct kha acid le hilo base le hilo hai jaka neutralization reaction kiche here a third na kha redox reaction I mean here redox here kha minni oma red pen reduction sina here OX pen oxidation hai reduction to oxidation common in redox kiche hi oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction hai oxidation reduction reaction bangche na hi am chi changa chemical reaction na oxygen kha add alule oxygen kha ipyak be ahilole hydrogen kha ilakhya ding ahilole electron kha allows dio why reaction high chemical reaction him oxidation enable hiam ailole hydrogen kha akilakha hiam ahilole electron kha allows hiam among saku hiam haidan reaction te kha oxidation reaction kiche hiya here oxidation to reduction kha aki opposite chatwa reduction is chang in kha oxidation kha oxygen kha ki add in sin here reduction kha hydrogen ki add in sin oxygen kha ki lakhya in oxygen akilakhya ahi lole electron kha ki mobe ki gain sine aite kha reduction reaction kiche he oxidation immortal hele rancidity the corrosion of iron here rancidity changin kha hai bread te khong inek thei te khong so pp ko changin fungus khong anom vele mo ha fatty acids and carbohydrates te khong om khom changin kha hai fungus khong anom hai te kha ran acidity ki che hai te kha prevent chile hai te kha ibang kha ahil ran acidity kha om lo na din kha hai nek thei te kha vacuum plastic khong a hoida ki tunjel hi corrosion of iron a hi le corrosion of iron kha oxidation a hi hai iron ni changa metal a hi metal hai iron kha hui laka sot pie ki koi chang kha hui kha oxygen om hi hoi iron to hui khang ki gom sot pian ki gom khom chang kha corrosion hai iron te kha corrosion iron oxidation state hong ki khenga hoi jaka corrosion om zel hi adang hi le slow and fast reaction head reaction ichi chan kha a slow ichi chang ina all oma imu all ngak la hwai oma lekin akin le ma hi all ichi chan kha reaction khan khat hi all in all ani nek chang bang igil sot pp wa ajak to digestion kha hat lovin chin hoi jaka i kha sot pp wa ani nek khit chang da kal ni khong why sunga kha reaction isunga kha reaction o menchin why sung teng kha igil ba de na hi why te kha slow reaction kichi example dang ripening of fruits thei kha amin di hongmin khyat di kha sot sim kinga ka khathiam kalni hiam kinga je why akhingak sung kha akin lo jakin kha slow reaction ama rusting of nails rusting of iron rusting of metals pete kha hoite kha kum sot pi aile kum khathiam kumni hiam nunga he iron te kha apwa khong tui khong hi khak changa kha sam me kun chen hai te kha aicha ahi papa thu hi lawa hi changina hai te kha slow reaction ke che hi fast reaction is changina second khadle lut lawa a reaction complete te a reaction zote ahia right reaction dekha fast very fast in second sunga ile minute khat sunga ile minute sunga hai a reaction zote kha fast reaction kichia example kha decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen hydrogen peroxide kha decompose ti changa a compounds te kha kibal nen chini ki divide in hydrogen peroxide khang ki divide chang ina decompose chang in kha water to oxygen ina anki decompose kya hai number 2 hydrolysis of sugar into glucose and fructose in presence of acid hai kha isungwa thiltunga hi isunga body sunga thultunga hi sugar kha an khong inek chang in kha carbohydrates khong inek chang in kha sugar ama why sugar teng kha isunga tui to igil sunga tui tong ki gom chang in kha acid neu kha to glucose to fructose am hi why glucose hai isunga glucose kha tha ha nang pya hai kha digestion isunga digestion ahia why pen second khat sunga le second minute sunga filtunga hi manin kha fast reaction kiche hi catalyst reaction te kha khen kha te slow khen kha te fast hi na khen cha reaction te kha a slow te bang ki hat sakot ale a fast te bang ki all sakot akin te bang kha ki all sakot why a hi na dinga catalyst ki poimo engine catalyst hai ten kha a reaction te chemical reaction te kha kinakin sak theyu ale all sak theyu ale akin pp bang all sak theyun chin hat pp bang slow pp bang hat low bang chu hat sak theyu hai a catalyst ten kha a reaction him a suhat ahi wa why suhat changun kha positive catalysis akitia catalyst khen khatin kha a reaction te kha all sakin chin why reaction te kha why all sak catalyst elements metals akizangte kha all sak dia compound akizangte kha negative catalyst kitchin hoi a process pen kha negative catalysis kitche hi example enzyme maltase ahile enzyme maltase ahile hai maltose glucose convert na ding kha enzyme maltase angaya hai enzyme maltase chain kha a reaction kha salt headlowin hai glucose an optaga convert the hi while maltose enzyme maltase lo chain kha hai maltose to glucose ki convert na ding kha hak sama ma hi summary isim ding hi le tu ni isim kya to hi le combination reaction chemical ni akigom chang in kha ni akigoma product atwam hong pek imu kya chang in kha combination reaction akisia ani na decomposition reaction iti chang na compound khat kha hong ki decompose ai rang ki bang kha hong ki kya in chin hai amount atoms elemental atoms onki decompose kya chen kha decomposition reaction displacement reaction kha hai metals ten kha hai metals tuam dang ha amun tuam dang hung lo chang un kha displacement reaction kichi neutralization kha acid to base ong ki gom khom chang kha salt imua why hai pen kha acid a product kha neutral hi man kha neutralization reaction kichi hai teng hi sim chayo thank you